So this is how to upload a news article through the Members Portal. So this is your Members Portal homepage. On the left hand side here you have all the shortcuts, so if you just click News Releases and Add News Release. Now what I would always recommend is writing your news article, your press release in a separate Word document and copying everything across. So here I have Dan file receives an MBE, so I'll pop that in the title. You have the displayed release date, the published start date and the published end date. Now, unless this is a limited time offer, I would always recommend popping the end date as far in advance as possible, just to ensure that you maximise that coverage. Now with the body of the text, I'll just copy this across. Okay. Your meta description just needs to be 1 to 2 sentence summary of your content. It does show on search engines, so it optimizes your SEO. And with the categories, it's member news. Now here, your search results logo, you can either add an image or you can add your logo. So I'm just going to very quickly add an image of Dan. Okay. And then you pop your contact information in as well. Please do always populate this information. You want obviously people to contact you. Now you can either save as draft, cancel or submit for approval. Once it's submitted for approval, it will come through to us at the Chamber team, and we will approve that as soon as possible.